Hi, in this video we're going to working on page 448, number 21 and 31. Okay, so let me start with number 21. Decide whether a triangle can be formed with the given side length. If so, use Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. So my given side A is 4, B is 5, C is 8. So in this case, your longest one, C, is the longest side, and then the sum of A and B is bigger than 8, which is 4 plus 5 is bigger than 8. You have to do all the things, which is A and C. If you're adding A and C, they should be bigger than B. If you are adding 5 and 8, which is a B and C, they should be bigger than 4. So everything is going to be okay. So you can make one triangle. And then, which means that we can find out the area by using Heron's formula. So you have to look at the Heron's formula, which is on page 445. So Heron's formula is you have to find out semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C over 2, that's we call it as a S. And then the area of a triangle would be square root of S times S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay? So now, we're going to find the, semi-perimeter first. So my question has a 4, 5, and 8. So my semi-perimeter is 4 plus 5 plus 8 over 2, which is a 9 plus 8, 17 over 2. And then that would be 8.5. Okay? So now I have to plug in this number into the formula, which is square root of 8.5 times 8.5 minus 4, 8.5 minus 5, 8.5 minus 8. Okay, now I have 8.5 times 4.5 times 3.5 and 0.5. Okay, so you have to plug in this one into calculator. Ready, go. 8.5 times 4.5, 3.5, and 0.5. So if you do that, square root of multiply 8.5 times 4.5 times 3.5 times 0.5. That would be 8.1815. So my answer would be 8.1815. It's keep going. And then they don't really have any direction this time. Let me round off to the nearest tenth. That would be 8.1. What's our, we don't have a unit, so you can just keep it as that, 8.1. And then, that answer is approximate value, so you would put approximate, symbol. This is a wave, so 8.1. That's the answer. All right, let me keep moving on to number, what number was it? Number 31. All right, number 31. Find the area of a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle of radius 12 inches. This is my circle. And then you need to have a regular hexagon. So hexagon. How many sided figure is it? Hexagon, which is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if I can make a triangle from here, I can make 6 triangle. It should be, guys, overlapped, because it's kind of hard to draw using this one. Okay, there you go. So let's look at the triangle. This one triangle, what is gonna be this angle? Because the whole of the circle, they have a 360 degrees. Now how many triangles we have? 6 of them. So I know that is gonna be 60 degrees here. And then according to the information, 60 degree. And according to the information, the question says that we have a 12 inches for their radius. So I really wanted to draw the degree symbol. It's hard. Okay, so that would be 12. So all the side would be 12. Okay, so actually we are having total 6 identical triangles. So my plan is this: I'm going to find out the one of the area of the triangle, and then I'm going to times 6 on it. Okay, so please look at this triangle now. I'm going to work with this triangle. Okay, what is the formula of finding triangle? Half times. What is it? You have to look at the book to page 444. So half times BC sine A. And you're having half times AC sine B and half times AB times sine C. You can just choose anything as a sine A or B, doesn't really matter. So let's say that this triangle has angle A here. Then that would be my side A, right? So that would be side B. And side C, doesn't really matter this time. So now half times 12 times sine 60. That's what I need to do. And then let me keep going. Half times 12 would be 6. So I got a 6 times 12 times, what was the value of sine 60? Radical 3 over 2. You had to memorize it. Now what? This 2 can be simplified and you got a 36. Radical 3, that's the area of one triangle. Now, how many triangles do we have? 6 of them. So 6 times 36 radical 3, then you can get your answer. 36 times 6 would be 36, and then 18 plus 3, 216. Radical 3, if you plug in that into the calculator, 216 times radical 3, that would be 374.12. 317.12. You round up to the nearest 10th place. That would be 317.1. What is our unit? Do we have a unit here? Yes, inches. So your answer should be 300. Okay, give me 1 second. 374. Okay. So 374, let me change it. 374.1 square inches. That's my answer. Okay, I hope this video helps you, and then we're going to see in the Zoom class on Thursday. So if you have any question, you can ask me on the day. All right, bye.